YOLO! This is a time lapse of me taking apart two instrument clusters, switching parts, and then assembling them back together. If you need to do a job like this and you would like to see a detailed video where I go over how to do this, please comment below. Another small problem I came across is one of these loops that hosts a dashboard light bulb was broken off, and I had to come up with a solution for that. Some of you might not see value in me advertising this solution, but I remember days when I wouldn't have come up with this solution. So, everybody's level is different. I thought I would just show it. So I basically transplanted that loop from the other dashboard and connected it with hot staples. If you think that it's fair and useful for people to know how to fix their own cars, please slap a like under this video.